RootXL is a great freemium service you can use to optimize your routes. It's freemium in the sense that they allow you to map up to 20 addresses at a time with their free plan. As your routes grow, you might want to consider purchasing a subscription to RootXL, but until you hit that 20 address threshold, the free version should suffice. If you haven't already signed up for a free RootXL account, go ahead and do so and set the language for American English by clicking on the flag icon in the upper right-hand corner of the browser window. Given that no sensitive information is being exchanged, for ease of use, we recommend allowing RootXL to remember your login details and also, when requested, to access your current location. I've opened two browser tabs, with each showing the Monday, January 2nd First Blue pickup. This is not required for optimization. It's just for the purposes of this tutorial so we can compare the original manifest order to the RootXL optimized order. Let's go ahead and click on the Optimize button. The page will refresh and will be presented with a large text area, and below that, a list of addresses. When you load the Optimize page, this list will reflect the current order of the manifest. At this point, nothing has been optimized. Let's copy that list and then switch to RootXL. I'm already logged in, so I can just click on the Import button in the top right-hand corner. I'll paste the addresses into the import box and then click Import. RootXL will import the addresses and plot each on the map. Before we ask RootXL to optimize the route, we're going to add our current location to the list by clicking the Current button. By default, the current location will be the start of the route, but you can designate any stop on the route as the starting point by clicking on its pin and choosing Start Here from the pop-up window. With all our addresses added, we can now click the Find Route button. RootXL will optimize the route and draw the results on the map. When RootXL has completed the route optimization, it will give you the option of emailing yourself a link to the map. In the beginning, you might find this helpful, but as you get used to using this tool, you'll likely discover that this step is unnecessary. If we take a look at the route that RootXL has created for us, we can see that it has us drive to stops 2 and 3 before doubling back for the final stop. I want to make stop 2 the last stop, so I'll click on the stop 2 pin and choose Finish Here from the pop-up menu. Because I've changed the endpoint of the route, I need to click the Find Route button again. This new route looks good, so I'll click the Download button and choose TXT as the file format. RootXL will export a TXT file, and I'll just pop that open so I can copy the contents. Now I'll return to Springboard and paste the text that I just copied from RootXL into the Optimize Route field and click the Optimize Route from List button. Springboard will apply the new route order to the manifest and identify any addresses that it cannot find a match for. Because the text that we copied from RootXL contained our starting address, which in this case is the address of our laundry facility and not the address of a customer, Springboard won't be able to find a match on the manifest for this address, so it will get flagged. Since this doesn't affect the optimization, we don't need to be concerned. With the optimized route applied to the manifest, let's click the Refresh Manifest button. The page will refresh, and we'll see that the manifest is now in the order defined by RootXL. I'll toggle between the two browser tabs I originally opened, so we can see the original order of the route as it compares to the new route order. That's it. The route is optimized and it's ready to be checked out. If you would like RootXL to show you a bit more information about the stops on your routes, you can turn on labeling. Just click on the Options tab in the top right-hand corner of the browser window and then select the Styling tab in the pop-up box. Select the Show Labels on Maps checkbox and then click Save to dismiss the pop-up box. Click the Find Route button and RootXL will rebuild the route and display labels for each stop in the results. This concludes the route optimization tutorial.